because of the shrinking birth rate, and they've cited recent layoffs because of the birth rate.
Which hits sales, obviously, right? Fewer babies means fewer diapers, and so these companies need to increase their margins.
Yeah, absolutely. A shrinking birth rate means a shrinking market for baby diaper brands.
A word here about the Internet of Things. This is sort of, you got smart refrigerators, you got smart garbage cans, and now we got smart diapers.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, and it's another way that companies are increasing their profit margins by investing in these more expensive. National Diaper Bank Network, for instance, which provides free diapers to parents, but this is very clearly a play to an upper class market,
to the
essentially.
higher end, as it were, of the diaper market. Michael Waters, writing in Vox about Bluetooth-enabled diapers. Believe it or not. Michael, thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for having me.
Come up. You're not paid a lot as a resident. You're certainly not paid a doctor's salary.
The economic life of an almost doctor, but first, let's do the numbers. Stocks did regain some of the ground they lost on Monday. The Dow Industrial is up 207 today, 0.8%, 25,532. The Nasdaq climbed 87 points, about 1.1%, 77.34. The S&P 500 gained 22 points, 0.8%, 28 and 34 there. Apple is one of those stocks that is sensitive to skirmishes in the trade war. Today, Apple's found 1.5%. Down about 10% since May the 5th, when the president tweeted about ramping up tariffs on all that Chinese stuff. Shares of Walt Disney advanced 1.4% after the entertainment giant said it had agreed to acquire Comcast's stake in the streaming service Hulu and take control immediately. Comcast also up 1.4%. Today, you're listening to Marketplace.
Marketplace is supported by Figure, providing a streamlined digital platform for home equity loans. You can learn how to use the equity in your home for home improvement, major purchases, or debt consolidation at Figure.com. Figure is now available in 37 states. And by C3.ai, the software suite for digital transformation using artificial intelligence and IoT to solve previously unsolvable business problems. Learn more at C3.ai. And by Charles Schwab, who believes a modern approach to wealth management starts with asking questions and providing straightforward answers. Charles Schwab. Own your tomorrow. Learn more at schwab.com.
Tonight at 7 on The Frame, singer Leela Downs travels between Mexico and the United States. Her new album, Al Chile, is about the people who struggle to make the same journey. The Frame, weeknights at 7 on 89.3 KPCC.
I'm Priska Neely. So many women came to our first forum, raising awareness about the high death rate for black babies. Now, we're holding another one. Join us May 25th in South LA. RSVP at kpcc.org/blackbabies.
KPCC supporters include the Ford Theaters. Nestled in the natural beauty of the Hollywood Hills, the Ford Amphitheater offers an intimate outdoor concert experience with music and movies, dance, and theater. Summer nights under the stars at the Ford kick off now. Tickets and info at fordtheaters.org or 323-GO-1-FORD.
This is Marketplace. I'm Kai Risdall. I will note here in passing on the way to this next story that shares of Uber were up today, more than 7%, a nice gain after a very rough first couple of days as a publicly traded company. However, its shares are doing, though. Uber and its GPS-navigated drivers are extremely unwelcome competition for one of